What's up, MFers? Thanks for tuning in today's More Tip Tuesday. With all of our new air chucks going out, we want to go ahead and give you guys a breakdown video on how to clean these out just in case they get dirty on the trail and start leaking a little bit of air. So I'm going to bring you in a little bit closer and we're going to show you the breakdown. So the two tools you're going to want to use to get this done is a crescent wrench and some sort of a vice grip or pliers that are going to have good grip to them. So what you're going to do is get your wrench seated on the bottom there, and then you're just going to be grabbing the top of that collar and righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. It should spin just off like that. And so we can set this down right here. And what we're looking for is that little washer right on the inside. So go ahead and grab a pick and we're going to pull that out. About anything to push the washer out, I like to go from the top side and then just push it through. And you're basically going to be looking on the washer itself for any sort of like dust, dirt, debris that's going to stop from a good seal. You can just wipe it off with your fingers or spray it down with WD-40, something like that. Once that's done, you're going to go ahead and put your washer back in place where it was. Make sure it's seated all the way in the bottom flushly like that. And then, simple enough, all you do is slide it back on and screw it in place. Couple things to take note of in this process. Your best case scenario is to keep this collar on, because when you take the collar off, the teeth are going to become loose. Simple enough if that happens. Hold them in place, and all you're going to do is line up the grooves with the teeth. Just like so, and you're good to go. Spring will hold this in place, and this all just screws right back into place. Super simple. And with these new design and the new washers, we shouldn't be dealing with that as much, but we want to make sure you guys are good to go if you ever have that problem. Thanks again for tuning in for this week's More Tip Tuesday.